Hello, welcome to my VOD channel. I do a lot of programming and some other things like playing games. If you want to see the streams live, you can watch them on my Twitch. There's a link in the description. Without any further delay, let's get to the stream. Hello, we're on. All right. Once again, just doing some video editing to start things off. Just going to wait for it to register that I'm actually streaming it, because eventually it'll figure it out, right? Eventually. This time, I've actually got my intro complete, so, should be very quick to get through all this. Here we go. Okay. Flip over. Okay. This one. And, what else do we have? Just these. Okay. Actually, one thing I haven't made sure is that these are all set current settings as default. Color managed sRGB. Alright, set current settings as default. Yeah. Okay. That's really quite zoomed in. Sound is right? Yeah, okay. Is that a mistake at the top? That is a mistake at the top. Huh. Weird. Alright, we're on. Ah, yes, and I have to... Full. You dick. Can I make it so that's the default? Why do I have to change that every time? There's a link in the description. Very annoying. Without any further delay, let's get to the stream. Alright, we're on. Starting a little... That was that. Alright, we're on. Starting a little late today. Unfortunately. Okay, so today's goal... Can I make this a bit brighter for myself here? No, it's as bright as it gets. Okay. Today's goal, still working on, and I'm actually going to, let's get out here. We need to render. Dev streams. Ooh. We should go and write down all these ones that I still have to do. So we've got nope, wrong folder. That one. So we still have, yeah, I'm actually gonna add the 2011 or the 9/11 one. September stream on the day of the 11th of the month. All right, interesting. Heard some pops and snaps, like, I don't know. Okay. Wrong folder again. Just minimize it. So we have September 11. We've got 14, which is what I'm doing right now. 15, 21, 22, 25, 26, 28, 29, and then October. Nine. And October 13th. That's funny. That was a Friday too. Oh shoot. That was an October Friday 13th. That's cool. Okay. All right. So we've got those left to go. Okay. Do I really get up once again, like, within 5 minutes of starting the stream? My God. Software. Okay. I have a drawing tablet. Oh no, I got up to go set up my drawing tablet. The drawing tablet so I can actually draw this out. So I'll be back in a moment. I feel like I should probably cut this. Just when I'm in the camera. Just when I'm on camera. It was really dusty, I think, is what I was doing here. I was dusting it off. It took me a while to set this up. Like, I didn't have this actually set up for a while. Okay. It's not displaying it on OBS yet, so let me figure that out. Oh. Did I just do grid? It's all eyes. Wait, it's like not even. It's not. Oh, now. Reopen it. I'll try that. Go to here real quick. So I will close the application and reopen it. No. Oh, I still can't use it. Okay, let me try moving some cables around back here. Okay. I moved a few cables around. Okay. I moved a few cables around. Uh-oh. Oh no, I unplugged my webcam. Did not. I did. Wait, what? I unplugged my webcam? I have all this stuff labeled now, so I actually know which USB is connected to the back of my computer or going to what device. That was an accident, I think. Okay. I didn't realize that I unplugged my webcam. That was a bit silly of me. Okay, now does this work? Does it work? What's happened? Things did something weird and I had to change a setting. Do a little look up here. Pen not working. Reinstall the latest. Put some thumbnails here. Oh look here, I stand up and
sometimes when I touch on the pad, it like something else opens on my other screen, and it's very confusing.
It was calibrated to my other monitor.
I'll try.
I have no idea why.
So I'm really out of ideas.
It was two things. It was
what is this cable plugged into? No, that's not anything. Okay.
First of all, my computer wasn't picking it up. The software on my computer that like connects the two, it didn't think that I had it plugged in, which I think it just had to reinstall that software. And then it was also calibrated to the other monitor. So when I was touching, it was touching on this monitor and not on the pad, not the monitor that was displayed on the pad. It was the weirdest thing.
Cable plugged into.
I'll just leave that in.
Well, I've officially tried basically every port that my computer has. Does this pen even work? Is there really not a battery on this thing? The website.
I still don't know how this pen actually works.
Open.
Like maybe there's some material coating on the pen.
Unable to connect.
like it's a magnet or something.
Start the driver software.
And that's how it knows where you're tapping the pin. And just how magnets work, they
I'll just go back
lose
to what I had.
their
I guess
magnetism
this is what I get
over
for trying
time.
to do something different. I'm trying to do something a little cool. I don't know which one this is. Okay, cancel calibration. Okay, great. It's on the monitor now. Okay. I just had to reinstall it, I suppose. Alrighty.
I can cut it
Oh,
off.
yeah. I just had to reinstall it, I suppose. Alrighty. Okay.
I've never actually seen how this looked on stream.
Actually, yeah, that one's better. Okay.
Did this look okay?
Alright, we on it? I can draw now. How's that look? Oh yeah. We're drawn. We're drawn now.
Is that full 1080? Can I go full screen here?
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
What the hell?
Okay. Alright. Let's get this erased.
Alright. Now I can just start skimming through. You should do some planning more often. That's kind of nice. What is happening here? I was like, can I download this? Nope. I mean, I can download it, but it's not going to be helpful. Just flying around a Minecraft world. Inspecting things. Wait. Why does it look kind of raw?
What does it see?
I think just the bit rate's really low. There you go.
It's just actual like nails on a chalkboard, but for your eyes to look at this stuff. So
Nails on a chalkboard for your eyes.
Yep. Thanks for everyone watching. We'll see you guys next time.
All right. September 14 is done. I'll just remove it from the list and add it here. September 14. Next one to be rendered. Haven't done any rendering yet. So. All right. Let me just flip back to this one. Are my sources correct here? Yeah, okay, they're good. Save project, new project. September 11. We're going a little bit out of order here. Oh wait, is this gonna work right away? I think it's just gonna work right away. I didn't have to flip it all. Cool. Memory? Very nice. It's really not responding. Seems a bit stuck. Is this still doing something? Was it out of focus? Is that wait for the program to respond? Yeah, the whole screen just turned white now and asked me if I wanted to close it. Oh man. You know, I think it's busted. I think it is busted. So, gonna close the program. Close DaVinci. DaVinci is struggling there. I think it's probably because I clicked off while it was processing, and a lot of programs do not like when you change focus while they're in the middle of something intense. Somehow it just seemed I don't know how. Programs seem just to really like to crash when that happens. New project. Okay, and eventually OBS will realize that DaVinci is ready to be captured and actually start capturing it. There we go. Okay. It's a 12-second video. Wow. That like almost killed the software again, just loading a 12-second clip. Okay. This one is the 11. The only world building one where the world machine. The only world machine one that actually fortunately recorded. Okay. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Oh, this was really loud. All right. All right. Yeah. All right. We're on. Okay. I think I can delete that safely. Yep. Here's 3. All right, we're on. Oh, and of course it needs to be like this. It's really incredibly dark, and I changed to full, and it's like, oh, look at that. Colors. For the delay, let's get to the stream. All right, we're on. Sorry. All right, we're on. Sorry, I knocked my desk right as it swapped, and I'm pretty sure that bang reverberated through the stream. All right. So,
last time I did a stream, remember I ended it because I was, or well, maybe not exactly last time, but last time I wrote code, I was kind of like, well, I'm.
All right. What is this? Every time I start a stream, I'm getting up. The last 3 ones I've looked at.
One moment.
Like, within minutes of me starting, I have to get up and go away. That's ridiculous. Hi, doggy. What are you doing? It's not. It's not time. It's no. What are you doing? You still got an hour before you eat. What? Okay. We'll be back in a few minutes. Come here. Come here. Stop it. Just stop it. Just stop it. All right. Be back shortly. All right, I'm back. Okay. All right, I'm back. All right, I'm back. Let's keep going. So, permissions, pretty simple. We got and of course I have to get up again. Also, I like how I said within minutes of starting the stream I have to get up and leave. And I do it again. This very stream. I barely made it 30 minutes in and I had to get up and go away. Be back in a moment. It's ridiculous. And I really wish there was a proper way to manage this. It's a little warm in this room. Just be 1 second. was that?
Okay, I'm back. I also trimmed the rogue mustache hair. Will not be dealing with me anymore.
Hair looking a little funky.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. I also trimmed the rogue mustache hair. Will not be dealing with me anymore.
Oh, and of course I hit zoom and I bring it all the way back there. Okay. Again.
Creating some detail on this.
Man, I had to leave a lot on this one.
Okay. Yeah, it's adding a lot of detail to the temperature now. Ooh. It's almost like I should be scared seeing that. The way that looked. Okay.
Music was a little too loud. Is it too loud?
But I think we'll do...
No, I think my music is a little too loud. Alright. Dropped it just a little bit. By a little bit, I mean a lot, because the control on there is already like all the way at the bottom, and I just drag it one little pixel.
We'll do a larger blur when it gets in here. Do another blur. Alright, we're back. Alright. That's where I'll leave it.
Just got like a bit of a headache for a second.
Thank you for everyone who joined, chatters. Thank you. I'll see you guys some other day. Goodbye.
I should cut it right on that part, because it's, yeah. Alright. Number 11 is done. Hello, Argon. Yeah. I don't know if you were here yesterday. The whole stream was spent making this 12-second intro. I was having some issues with this transition thing.
Hello, welcome to my VOD channel. I do a lot of programming and some other things like playing games. If you want to see the streams live, you can watch them on my Twitch. There's a link in the description. Without any further delay, let's get to the stream. Alright, we're on.
It was 5 hours for this. 5 hours for this.
Alright.
That. There were some issues that should not have been had. And it took me a little while to figure that out. But yeah. I'm just putting these together because I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna start uploading all the ones that I have saved, the streams that I have saved to YouTube. Because as you may know, Twitch is not a place where you actually will get. Is not where you get discoverability. You get that from YouTube, and then you carry it over to Twitch. Okay. So 11 was done. Let's see if making a new project doesn't crash the program this time. September 15. Don't crash. What category am I on? Oh yeah. I've been putting it on just chatting for the video editing, and I've decided, even though that's like the more appropriate category, I'm done with that, because what little amount of people who will actually trickle into a stream will not when you're on just chatting, because you get put all the way at the bottom. At least if it's on software, because it's still sort of related to that, and I can just switch over to it shortly. But at least there, you know, because that's what my streams actually are. I just sometimes edit the video, edit the streams. I think it's not going to happen. I think it's decided to crash. I don't know what it is. I think it's just because I have a very large video file, like a 3-hour video file on here. I think that just kills it. Okay, DaVinci, you had your chance. But this time I'm going to get to, this time I am going to get to actually doing work shortly. New project. The funny thing is about the memory is I have 32 gigabytes on my system, and once it starts approaching 16, it can go over 16, but once it starts approaching 16, it's like every application starts acting like I have 16. And they'll like, some of them will slow down. DaVinci sometimes just blows right past that and like uses up 24 gigabytes in like 2 seconds. So I don't know why sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's not. Oh, let me flip it. Oh, it's not triggered yet. Sorry. Also, for some reason, DaVinci is really slow to register that I actually want to show it. So any second now it'll realize. I need 64, yeah. I'd have to get all new memory because I'm using all 4 slots on the motherboard for 32. So I'd have to. Oh please, DaVinci, come on, show it. You know you want to. Oh well, I guess that's that. It just crashed. Okay. I don't know why. I think I'm just too fast for it. I think I'm just too fast. Well, what am I on? 15? Yeah, I'm on 15. Alright, DaVinci, come on. You can do it. I don't know if it's OBS or the software that struggles to start showing it, but I have it set to the highest hook rate and it still takes really, really long. I've been trying to figure out how to... I can set it the fastest, actually. Windows Event Viewer. Yeah. I've looked at that before. I can't remember what I used it for. I think I was having problems with... It was on a different computer where it was booting. It was having problems booting. That's the only time I've used it. Yeah, I think DaVinci just... I think it really is that I just moved too fast for it. Because it doesn't... like, you can have all the memory you want, but if the software is just like cannot keep up with me just, you know, trying to load a folder full of 100 gigabytes of video files, you know, I don't think there's much I can do about that. Because that's how big the folder is that I'm opening. And what DaVinci's doing is it's processing every single one of those files just to get a thumbnail. And it's, yeah, it can be really, really slow. Which is why I'm doing these edits, because I need to start. I'm using up too much of my disk. A tenth of, what do I have? I have a terabyte? Yeah. I have a terabyte and a tenth of it is all in one folder. So I need to start doing this and freeing up some space. All right, we're off. Full. There we go. No, it doesn't look messy. Luckily with these, I'm not actually doing much editing. I'm just cutting out the parts where I stand up and walk away. Oh, I spotted one. That sure looks like absolute black on the camera. We got 30 minutes. So in about 30 minutes, I'm going to take a break to go eat and then come back and actually start doing some work. Goodbye. I wish in my normal videos I could edit them like that. 4 hours of footage, done in like 5 minutes. That'd be a dream. Add that to the list. Okay. All right. How do we do this? Maybe I close the project first. How can I close the project? Maybe I do no. I want to close the project without closing the program so that it can, process that I want to make a new one. Okay, let's try creating one here. September, what am I on? 21st. Okay. I think maybe what I should try to do is close the timeline because it's not gonna, I don't know why I thought this would change anything. Was it like frozen on the, yeah, it's also frozen on OBS. I wasn't having this issue before. Last time I was doing this. And I'm not going to wait because I know it's not going to work. Just close it. Just close it. Okay. I don't know how to actually close a project and just go back to like an empty thing. I'm also hoping that it's not corrupting these files when I do that. I also had an issue where it forgot what file an audio clip was from, and only some of them. So in the edit I had, some of the audio clips were read and some of them weren't, and they're all from the same file. And apparently there's just no way to fix it. Apparently if that happens, you're just screwed and you cannot fix it. Luckily, it takes backups. So I could load a backup really, really quickly. I'm really trying to figure out if there's a certain thing that I do in the program that triggers it to realize that I have it active. I don't know, sometimes it loads in like a minute, sometimes it takes like 2 seconds. Okay, let me try this. I'm going to click out of that folder. Hide the window. What do I have going on here? What? That's funny. That is completely dark. Okay. To the stream. All right. That's like funny how dark that is. I won't be able to tell if I stand up. I have to wait for the audio to. On YouTube, it will be darker. Oh yeah. Even on my monitors, I have the brightness turned way up, mostly so I can see through these sunglasses, but also because my monitors usually have them turned way down on brightness. Yeah, I was watching a video on color management for YouTube, but I can't remember what you're supposed to set it to. Which, before I render these, I should probably go do that and watch what settings I should be putting on for this. Because right now I think I set it to RGB, which is just because what I see on screen is what I'm going to get when I render it out. Any other setting, it will change the colors when I render it. But also particularly for this transition, I have to use a very specific RGB. Otherwise, the masking that I have set up, it uses a white to black mask. And when you're changing a white to a color that's not white, it doesn't help the mask. It just totally corrupts it. Cheat mode for dark games. Yeah. That's still kind of funny about Minecraft is that the Java version is still so dark. You have to set the brightness all the way to bright and then like crank up your monitor brightness and then you can finally see in the dark. Oh, audio's in. That is excessively dark. It's just a black box on the side. I can't tell if I leave when it gets quiet. You gotta like pull the sunglasses down so I can see this. I can just see like an orange dot on the bottom. That is remarkably quiet. Can I hear the typing? Am I typing? No, I'm just scrolling through bad code. I'm really glad I put up LEDs. The overhead light in this room is just awful. My lamp is not bright enough. And now everything is purple or blue. What am I doing? This is like the longest. Oh, I'm super zoomed in too. Oh my god. I thought I like scrolled for like an hour there. Okay. No, it doesn't look so bad. Oh, what is this? No. Oh, look, that's you. You're on the video. You're on the video. Oh, man. What is going on? Okay. Inception. I did this thing on my last one. So I'm even going to upload these videos of me editing videos. So I need to go remember to do that. Or if once I get to it. But basically, I go to the end of that video. I say a line, and I'm just going to keep repeating the line. Like, I'm going to play it, and I'm going to say the line myself. So it's just going to keep echoing and getting louder over time. Maybe it won't get lighter. I don't know, but that's the idea. Starting soon. Yeah, that's funny. I'm gonna say bye. See you later. Thanks for coming by. I didn't leave at all in that stream. That's crazy. That usually does not happen. Okay. What do we got on time? 20 minutes. I'm blasting through these. Let's see if I can figure out how to open a new project without crashing it. Okay. Maybe I do close current timeline and then new project. Maybe this will help. 22. Maybe. We'll let it think for a second. It might figure it out. I think that was not the trick. I don't know what this does. I don't know what it does. But it's so difficult for it to close the project and make a new one. Maybe it could be saving stuff to... What is it doing, actually? No disk usage, it's just really high CPU. What could it be doing? I gotta crash it again, though. Okay, well that was not how to do it. I guess I just actually have to close. Actually, let me look it up. Close project, keep window open? Is this even the able to close a project without entire DaVinci shutting down? I mean, one thing that I do know will work is switching project. I guess I'll do that. I'll try switching to a different project that's smaller, and then yeah, and then I'll make a new one. There we go. My hard drive isn't encrypted. It shouldn't be. I know I have. Have I? I can't remember. I remember I set up something in the past, but I don't think this one is. I think it's got to be a bug with DaVinci. Also, there's actually been an update for the program that I haven't updated yet. Because I can switch between massive projects like this and it works. But for some reason creating a new project, it can't handle it. It may also just be a case of I haven't restarted my computer in a while. And it's just that's pretty much the only reason why any of this is Why any of this is struggling. Alright, we're on. Did I set that right? Whoops. Alright, yeah, okay. And once again, I have really black, so I can't see. "15 minutes to go." It's very hard to tell. What? Oh, I'm leaning forward. Okay. Like, I'm gone for 1 second, then I'm back. Just leaning forward. I'm really zoomed in again. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh, the audio is finally here. Okay, this is helpful. I'm sure I'm not going to miss anything. Oh, am I gone? I just stood up without saying anything? What is that slow turn? It's a very slow turn. I didn't say anything. That is so dark. Okay. Right, I'm back. I heard some knocking, and I don't know why. Just want to see this slow turn again. What was this? Heard some knocking, I say. Anyway, goodbye. See you all next time. Okay. I think I'll start early because it took me, I don't know, whatever. We're about right on time, I think. 10 minutes early. No big deal. I kind of just want to stop dealing with this thing closing and reopening. All right. 22's done. 22. Okay. And I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. Probably come back around sometime after 6. Won't be too long though. Okay. All right. See you later. Well, this isn't actually ending stream, but you know, in a bit. All right, I'm back. Let's see here. Change the title. All right. Is it right? Hello, hello? Hello, hello? Okay. Good. Okay. So now we're doing server stuff. May or may not actually get to do any testing. I'm working on live chunk regeneration, which is proving to be a hard problem. Who would have thought? I wouldn't have. I thought there'd be literally one function I call. I'm like, hey, regenerate the chunk. Nope. Does not work like that. I've also got some food, so I'll be eating in between here. Alrighty. So as you can see, I've got a bit of a to-do list here. A little bit of a to-do list. And I've only just started. I was reviewing all the chunk generation code, essentially. And I'm starting to get a hang of it. Of course, I will never actually fully comprehend it. But I started getting a good grasp on it, I think. And I think I've got everything written out that I need to do. Well, almost. The final step, once all the chunk data overwriting happens, will be to refresh it on the client. And in theory, that is a single function call. That is just I'll just call something like bucket, I think, bucket dot server. No, what is it? Level chunk dot, no. Chunk. What is it? What is it? A chunk, well, world. We have the world. You can also just do this. Refresh chunk. This will be one of them. So chunk X, chunk Z, as well as doing where does it happen? Do chunk regeneration, add plugin ticket. Yeah. So these will be the last two lines. But before I do that, I've done this one. The the chunk access stuff, which wasn't too much. Okay, it's kind of a lot. But then we're on to level chunk. I need to make sure all of these are set correctly. And then I have to call these functions. Essentially just reinitializing the entire chunk. I don't know why the chunk doesn't contain a single function in its own code that just says do all this. Because this kind of code writing is bad. Calling all of these in a very specific order, and these are the only times these chunks are called. The only time these are called is in, like, I think it was chunk map or something. Yeah, chunk map. And they're always called in this order. So it's really bad to write code like that, where a lot of functionality is written on the object, but then called somewhere else. Just doesn't make any sense. I feel like I should find something to do while I eat. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna watch my own video. I am going to watch my own video. All right. Here we are. This is my video. I made it. I'm allowed to watch it. I'm allowed to play it and watch it while I eat and say nothing. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna eat for a little bit. Just gonna watch a video.
Dude, I fucking hate fucking dog.
I'm just gonna go grab some trees, man.
I'm gonna fucking snap right at the second I hit play, okay? Listen.
You know, I looked down at my phone because I got a notification from Twitch that someone went live. I thought it said cosplay on Modern Warfare, but it said crossplay, thankfully. I thought I was going to have to commit suicide there for a second. Mick, where'd you go?
I'm at the big ass field that.
I'm over in the field, so I'm getting wood.
What field?
The field that you told me to go in.
No, I'm at the field that I was talking about. What's your coordinates?
66, 64, negative 61.
Oh my god. Oh, I see you now.
I need
I'll
food.
make some shelter. Dude,
Alright.
go kill some animals.
All right, I eat mutton.
Treat it raw.
Yes, I ate it raw.
Sickening.
It's just reverse vegetarian.
Okay, I say we can start making our house like right around here.
Why are we living in the ground again? What if I want to live
It's
in
the only way to live in this game.
No.
It's the best way to live. You don't even have to make the walls. You don't have to make the walls.
You guys have made some progress while I've been exiting.
I'm just gonna run out with a sword and find some sheep.
Good luck.
It's actually crazy, man. I can't find a single sheep.
It really do be like that. Light Axel's not even playing. Let's go.
I'm making sure my pork chops don't get burnt.
There's an enderman. Should I try to take him?
You're gonna die.
Yeah, we can just use Matt's body as the portal.
Alright, I'm going for this enderman. Holy fuck. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Fuck.
Top 10 moments everyone saw coming.
Top 10 worst anime deaths.
Just worst death. It's not even like the best or memorable. It's just worst.
Top 10 characters you knew would die.
Number 1, cow with glasses.
Hey, wait, we can make a bed. This other wool come.
You have one bed, Mick. That's really great. That is fantastic.
Oh, I'll share it.
What?
At least we know if Wyatt's on Xbox that he can't turn on his fucking X-ray mods this time.
Actually, that's where you're wrong.
What?
Okay, who's putting the stairs down this time?
I was gonna make a funny moments Call of Duty video, but I think it would be too much work. Oh my god, there's so much coal on a fucking cup! Why'd your cups just ignore all this coal?
Why are you breaking all the torches?
Because he's gonna count them like a fucking
Yeah, I'm
ostrich,
fixing
placing,
the
like
fucking
every
torches.
block. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Okay, dude, fine. Getting the god. Fuck! Keep placing the blocks right in front of our. Oh my god. Lose my shit.
Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm about to make stairs.
Make those stairs, bro. No, Wyatt.
Like it's going.
Wyatt, you start at the bottom, man.
Why?
Place one stair, and then go to the bottom and build up. That's...
That's a stair.
Okay. There we go. I can hear them burning outside.
Oh fuck. This creeper.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Pearl Harbor too?
What?
I hear lots of explosions.
Not a lot. You heard one. Don't be exaggerating anything.
Er,
Huh.
You want to grab that iron and make some pickaxes? Also, how many did you use all the stairs?
Killed the sheep.
I've gained armor.
Oh yeah, I'm making a stone cutter, so you want to cut that first. Don't. Wyatt, are you crafting stairs right now? Stop crafting stairs. Don't craft stairs.
Why?
Because I'm making a stone cutter. You get more stairs that way.
Absolutely nobody cares. Guess what I'm gonna do? Guess what I'm gonna do? I want you to look at me right now.
Why? Can you give me the seeds you have?
It's too late. Too late. I can't. How do I get out of third person?
Mick, put the crafting table back down so I can make a bucket.
I don't have the crafting table.
I have
Pretty sure
crafting
Wyatt picked
table.
it up. How many stairs did you make, dude?
That's scary. I just walked past a puddle and there's just hissing sounds coming from it.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Where's Wyatt? Could you maybe be louder?
Yeah, no problem.
Honestly, I don't know what's up with your mic, but like when you're loud, it's not loud.
Garbage mic, I'm selling it. I could change that though. I can plug in my old mic.
I mean, go ahead, man.
Uh-oh.
Hello. Dude. Okay.
So how's this one?
It's okay.
It's actually better.
Doubtful, but okay.
Whoa, what's going on out here? What is going on out here? Wow, this could look really cool if we get glass up here, you know? Can we get a door?
I don't know, Mick. Can you make one?
No.
Wood.
No wood.
Wood.
No wood here.
Wood.
No wood here.
Wood. Wood.
No, you could just stop.
Prepare for takeoff.
Okay, whoever changed it, it was fine before. Whoever added all this shit to it, fucking kill yourself.
Excuse me?
This front door looks like an autistic kid drew it on a piece of paper. Put on these.
There's a creeper inching its way towards our base.
What about me? Can you use my screen name, please? You idiot.
Wow, because they're gonna find out your name, Mick. Damn, wouldn't that be a shame?
Well, why'd you use your names, but then you're using my actual name?
Because your name's Almic.
There's a skeleton coming for you, by the way.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is.
Nope. Oh shit.
I'm about to starve.
Matt, watch. Matt, come here. Matt, come here. Matt, come here. Matt, come here. Come here. Come
I'm about to die.
here.
I'm starving, and I have 2 hearts. Please
I need
stop.
1.5
Please stop.
hearts.
Stop. 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 Please. I need a fucking chicken. Stop. Can I get the chicken?
Here,
Thank
here,
you.
here.
I'm gonna start starving too. Oh my god, don't hit me again. Don't hit me again. Please don't. Please
I
don't.
just think that the way that I said chicken there
Are you zoomed
is
in or
really
something?
funny
How
to me.
you- Fuck.
Chicken.
Fuck.
I need a chicken.
White is chasing me like a monster. He's following me very slowly. You see this guy? Okay, well. Oh my god, stop. Just stop. Dude. I have a sheep and a child. We're gonna pin these guys in.
Keep it. Kill the child. Kill the mom. Kill the...
Oh, there's a little bunny rabbit. Oh my god. Oh, there's a wolf. You guys have bones? There's 2 wolves.
There's 2 bones here.
Come bring them to me. I'm like right in the dark oak forest entrance of this roof.
Oh my god. Can you not play that? What's your coordinates?
I'm just at the entrance to the spruce forest, dude.
Oh, I think I know where you are. Okay. Yeah, I see you.
If you know, you
Still
know.
about to starve to death. I don't actually get any food.
It's fine. I have food here.
He's
Food.
on me.
Give me the bones. Give me the bones. Come here, cock. Give me the bones. I swear to God, I'll kill you.
That's not me.
I swear to God,
That's
I'm gonna kill
Wyatt.
you. Oh, it's light. Okay. Wait, you stole all the food.
I need the food, man. Here.
You see this
Oh
dog's
my
head
god, dude,
freaking
that
out?
bone looks fucking huge when you're holding it.
You see this?
Hold-
You see this
Wyatt,
dog's head
Wyatt.
freaking out?
Yeah. Why is this bone massive, man? This bone is fucking huge.
Yes.
Wait, Matt, there's one more over here. Matt, there's one more
I know.
over here.
There's
Matt,
no
one more.
Where'd he go?
Over here, he's
Drop.
in the pit.
Can I have the food now, please? It's behind
The
you.
other one?
That's a
This is
dog.
mine.
Yeah.
Dude, he's so fucked up. He is so fucked up. You guys,
He's
you guys
getting
can't be
worse.
seeing this.
He's gotten worse.
Jesus.
Dude.
Jesus, let's...
Here, good luck. Get 2 bones.
Oh my god. Why is it
Yeah,
mass?
Tame it, what?
Accept my love!
It ate both the bones.
Alright. Moving on. Just 360 no scope that dumb dog.
Did you just kill it?
A fox! Wait, a fox!
What?
Berries, the berries.
Well, I got berries.
Yeah, but you gotta do it like a cat. Oh,
I
he
got
loves you.
hearts. He got hearts, but he's running away. He's breeding. He wants to fuck. I want to
Nice.
trap him. I think we need to dig him a little hole and just make him stay in it.
Matt, why are we digging it this deep?
Alright, well, we'll come back for it later.
Eely!
Chase him back to the house. It's actually working. What the fuck? Like, help us chase this fox into the house. It's right here, dude. It's right here.
Get in the hole!
I have berries. Hold your berries out.
We don't have berries.
Rabbit.
It's following me.
Just trap him. Trap him.
So fucking slow. My god, man.
Oh, this little bitch.
Look, you uncrouched, you baboon.
He was like fucking forgetting about me or something.
Oh, fuck. Here he goes. Close that fucking door on that fucking fox. Close that. Make a little enclosure for him. Make a little enclosure for him in the wall. Make a little like a little hole.
What the hell are you doing?
You know he'll lay down on the beds with you?
No. He won't fucking come to me.
He's coming to you?
So can you like breed them with other cats?
They're foxes, Matt. Well, you can breed them with other foxes.
Don't come in. Don't come in. Got him.
Move!
Wyatt! Okay, he's coming. Here, you place the fences.
Like you're gonna be stuck in there, then you're gonna like dig out.
Yeah, I can dig out. Wyatt!
Why are you doing that?
Fucking you don't have to fucking block him, please. Stop. Wyatt, literally stop. You're making it worse.
Actual dumbass. Nice one, Wyatt. Really nice.
You're actually fucking it up. Oh my god. Just
I think I actually did not realize
What are you doing?
that I
to me?
wasn't crouched during this whole thing.
I'm gonna
'cause
punt you.
It's clearly obvious at this point, just from like the couple seconds that I've cut from it, that when I walk,
Oh my god. Okay.
the fox runs away.
Why do you squeak? You go. "Eek."
I guess I thought I was
What's the
crouched
fox
this whole
saying?
time, and I just never realized I wasn't crouched.
Why can you sleep?
Yeah, please.
Do what?
Oh, he's sitting. There's a sheep right out here.
Cool. We're gonna trap that. You know, I would really appreciate if that sound stopped.
Be back in just a moment.
What time? Who put this fence here? Who's the baboon that did that? There's a fence above our door.
There's a fucking crafting table above the door.
I am may or may not be responsible for both of those things. Oh, there's a creeper up on the hill, guys. Mick, there's also a pig roaming right towards your little enclosure. Oh, now it's moving away. Which one of you cucks went out here and destroyed my fucking farm?
Oh wow.
Was not me.
It would be exactly you, actually.
No, it wouldn't actually. Because if I didn't do it, you did it.
I was holding a stack of 0 spruce. How was that possible? That was weird.
I think it's about time for some Tarkov for me.
Dude.
No, dude. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4.
First of all, why are you saying
Yeah.
4 like that, you baboon? Second of all, you're doing this wrong. The water's gonna have to be moved over one more right here. This is the 4-long lane. We're gonna need a ladder here.
Yeah, 4. What are you on about?
It's
fine.
I thought we were making. No.
Perfectly fine. Shut it.
Proud to be an American. This creeper is gonna blow up.
Why? I swear to God, nuke my farm and you're getting fucking nuked off the server.
Nick's bringing his family into his pen.
Here, you wanna wrangle these livestock while I make some more fences?
Wrangle these livestock.
Wrangle this livestock. Oh yes. Perfect. Alright, feed the sheep, bro. Feed the sheep. Feed that sheep. Feed that sheep. Feed that sheep. Feed that sheep. Would you please feed that sheep? Dude, Wyatt, what the fuck?
What?
Never mind, I got it.
Dude, Wyatt, you're fucking trampling my shit.
I just all I did was run across it.
Why? I just saw you jump across it and you fucking landed on it and broke it, you fucking cunt. I don't know why we're on a server with a handicapped person, aka Light Axel.
This looks fairly similar to our first world. I think it's about that time, you know. Oh fuck! Whoa! What? What? Are you kidding me?
Oh, Mick, I think I have an expedition for you, my guy.
Okay.
We got 3 sheep over here. Shit, I think I might grab them. Here, sheepies. Here, you fucking ugly things.
How are you? Are you starving?
Me?
Quite possibly.
Wyatt is starving in front of me.
What, are you gonna give him some food, or?
I mean, he can grab food himself that we have cooking literally right now.
Light Axel's throwing because he wants to play Tarkov.
It's ready. Mom's spaghetti.
Just bringing a fucking caravan to the house right now. I'm bringing a fucking caravan to the house.
Oh my god.
Mick, I'm almost here, dude. I'm almost here.
Fuck. I'm ready.
Bring them boys in here.
1 sec.
So
I can't get him.
He's so fat. Push him in, Wyatt. Push him in. Well, that's how to get one in. Bring that bitch over here. Hey, what are you idiot? Neither of you playing. Fucking... I just killed the last dude. You guys are pissing me off. What? I don't think you appreciate Minecraft for what it is.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mick. Hello. What happened, big guy?
Had to talk to my mom. I'm gonna go pick up Chinese food in a few minutes.
Mick.
What? There's nothing I can do about that. You're just gonna have to face the consequences.
What the fuck happened? What the? Hold up. Someone fucked with my farm.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't run. I'm out of food.
All right, I'm back.
Oh no!
Wait, I'm gonna have to cut one.
I'm gonna end it here. The video. On the chance that anyone happens to be watching this, my YouTube channel is called Almic. If you want to finish watching that video, you go watch it there. It's my latest upload, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Same name, same icon as the Twitch. Alright. Okay. Let's get going. Get coding. Okay. So we've got... All right. I will go ahead and move these over to here. There we go. So basically what I'm looking to do here is make sure all these are set to their initial value. Level chunk. Loaded. So we're loaded, I believe, should be set to false, because then it's reset to true here. And just to be safe, if anything happens to be if any of these functions happen to be dependent on loaded being false, which some of them very well could be. I have to set loaded to false to be sure. So tick in level. I believe it was all of these. Okay. So, of course. It's not going to be so simple. So this was right after the tick in the level. What was it? Private final map. So it's O. Loaded to world. It's got a function. Set loaded. Alright, so we'll just call that function then. Or, sorry, C. Well, actually, this is what I'm doing. Boolean loaded. Client light ready. Controller fell. Okay. Whoops. I just clicked that by accident. Okay. Client light ready. It is set to false on initialization and it's private. Can I change it? Yes. I believe it's this one. Boolean. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be specifying how I'm doing these. Loaded. So using public function, set to false. Client light ready. Okay. Level. Do not need to change that. Not necessary to change. It's also final, so it'd be a hard thing to change even if it was. Full status. Nullable. So I believe we set it here to set full status, right? So we will set it to null. And of course it won't be the same thing. Let's go find it. R. B, supplier chunk state, level type provider. Right. So does it B, and then, or actually we just pass null here. course, I need to cast it. Annotated as not null? Haha, that's what you think. That's what you think. It's actually called supplier chunk holder full chunk status. There we go. Next one is post load, which can be set in the constructor. And I believe if we go to, I'm gonna have to open this. Yeah, new window. And I'll just put this to full screen so we can both look at it. All right. Detected some problems, did you? Really? Okay. Chunk map, or yes, chunk map. Run post load. We do chunk holder. Proto chunk to full chunk. Chunk equals post load level chunk post load processor. So this should be set as map left. I believe this will be a proto chunk, not an imposter proto chunk. So we'll get this here, and it does call chunk map post load proto chunk with some information here. Fortunately, this is a, never mind, not fortunately. It's a private function, but I believe what this does is it calls some stuff that I can call myself. So this one does have to be something. Go to implementation. It's kind of weird because I call post load, but in reality what I do is we just run these. We run this stuff. And this is static, as you can see, so I can copy this straight in if I really need to. I mean, sort of, maybe, not really. So I guess the post load does kind of need to be set to this. That'd probably be the best way to do it.
My ear's kind of hurting from this headset. I think it might have just been slightly too tight. Okay. So I suppose what I will do... Ooh, man. Oh, it's right above this. Replace proto-chunk. Did I specify that here? Yeah, replace proto-chunk. Oops. So I guess I kind of need to do that, but the reality is that run post load calls this. That's all it does. So why did I put a semicolon at the end of my comment? Okay. So yeah, this one's not actually necessary. Well, it is slightly necessary. I will set it to null. Using some reflection here. Or is this the right chunk? Chunk. I need that one. Net Minecraft world level chunk. Wait, declared field? Wait, I forget. I think it's declared field. Get declared field, right? Do I do any comments? No, not really. So it's right after full status. S. Great. S. And then I need to make it accessible. And then I will do post load field set on level chunk null. Okay. All right. Post load.
Game dispatcher event sections. Or game event dispatcher sections. Int to object open hash map. Compute if absent. So compute if absent will... Does that set the value? Specify key is not a social value. Attempts to compute its values in the given map and enters it into this map. Oh, okay. Okay. Euclidean game event dispatcher. Q. This is very weird. Remove game event listener. If game event dispatcher is empty, remove I. Okay. So where is this called? Let me get a look at paper. This is private, right? Yeah, private. Post game event in radius. All right. So it's here. Remove and add. This is also private. Register all block entities after level load. And add and register block entity. This is a public function, so where is this called? Set block entity, set, promote. Yeah, okay. So that was, okay. All right. So that will be populated later. So essentially what I have to do to start is just clear the map. I just clear the map. Yeah, implements map. Okay. So I'll just access it and remove them. It's like posting an update to a chunk and then entities in that chunk get their updates. I believe this is just for the ticking system. I don't think it's for anything else. Yeah, it's literally just for the tick system. Yeah, so we can just clear it. So let's figure out the name of it. T. All right.
It is T, because of course it's T. Your dispatcher set accessible true. And then it implements map. It implements map. So I can very simply call, I can very simply cast it to a map. Get level chunk. There we go. And now I can just call clear. Clear. And that will be updated later. Yep. Block ticks. Block ticks. What are these? Private final. Set to block tick scheduler. Uh-huh. Get block ticks. Unpack. I think this one I technically don't need to change. I think I actually don't need to change that one. But let's see here. Oh, that's loading. Oh, yeah. See, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, these are initialized automatically. But I think what I can do is restrict tick container level. I think I actually don't have to do anything. But I'm going to see who uses this. Imposter, chunk map, dump, world gen region, block ticks. What even is this thing? Okay, let's see who uses this. Oh, precisely the same stuff. So, okay. Let's go to this function. Register. Get block ticks. Add container. Oh.
Add container. And what do these do? This is like unpack. I wonder if I should call that. Who uses this? Start ticking chunk. Let's go to implementation for this one. Scheduler. Set on tick added. I think I can just leave it. I believe what this is for is I think it's like the processor that runs I don't know. Set on tick added. Peak poll. Schedule. On tick added. Chunk schedule updater. This is the weirdest thing. Unpack. I think essentially what this is doing is we're ticking the chunk. We tick the chunk and okay, hang on. So when the chunk needs to be ticked, we call a sequence of like 5 different functions or something that call a class, that call a function, that call a class, that call a function. And eventually we take the chunk. I think that's all it does. It just says, it just is basically a storage on the chunk that says, okay, we need to tick, we need to process for a tick. It doesn't store any data about the chunk. It just stores a queue of ticks that the chunk needs to say, okay, we have a tick. All right, let's process this chunk. We have another tick. Okay, let's process this chunk. So really, I think I don't have to do anything about that. I think I can just leave it. Because they're basically just initialized by the level chunk. No one passes any data to it. See here, it just creates a new object. In fact, it's kind of funny because it creates unclassified objects. I mean, actually, I guess it's not really, yeah, never mind. I think because of the syntax stuff, it's actually not necessary to say this is a fluid, and it's not necessary to say this is a block, because it knows. Okay. Alright. So I don't think I need to change these at all. I don't think I need to do anything with these. No chunk data. Cool. So we can leave those. Last save time. I think it's unnecessary to change as well. It seems unnecessary. And we also do mark it for saving. Not necessary to change. Must not save. Must not save. Isn't saved. Return. Okay, funny. And must not save. Must not save. This is only set in one place, in the unload callback. Loaded ticket level. What is that? Starts as false. Of course, it's going to be weird and not highlight all the usages. Load callback. Double calling chunk load. Okay, I need to go look at this. It's also public. Is it used outside this class? No. Huh. It's funny, I can call these manually if I want to. So what this does is save itself as being loaded checking all the others to be loaded as well. Saving itself as being loaded. Huh. Oh, this even calls this stuff. Call event, chunk load event. This will also do the populate. Huh. Can I just unload it and then load it? Can I do that? Hmm. Where's this called? Update futures. I think I'm about getting too tired to keep doing this, actually. Unload callbacks scheduled. See, this is a weird thing. I don't like. What is this magic number? Why? Hmm. Unload callback. This is weird. Update futures is or after chunk unload event. Called before chunk is unloaded. Update futures is just here to unload chunks. Is that what this is? If player chunk state is or after border and player chunk state 1 is not border or after. What does that mean? Get future if present unchecked. Was the callback invoked? So basically we say, if the chunk is loaded, then we unload it. Why? Huh. We schedule once, now the future is no longer completed as write if unloaded. Only schedule once, now the future is no longer completed as write if unloaded. Why they just... Okay. Hey Brenda, only schedule blah, blah, blah. Minecraft will apply the chunk tick lists to the world once the chunk got loaded. Store the ticket or the tick lists again inside the chunk once the chunk becomes inaccessible. So you manually set the need saving flag already here. I'm just kind of confused why update futures just... If it's not a border chunk, we unload it. Is what it looks like it's saying to me. Or well, if it... Inaccessible border ticking and data ticking, yeah. Back, okay. Huh. If flag unloaded ticket level, yeah. Ugh. Wait, what? That's funny. It sets it... Oh, because it needs to loop. Okay, that's why. What? That's literally already defined. Oh, get full chunk status not. Okay. Player chunk state is or after. I understand this. Is or after, and then is or after border. And then we save the values of those here. Why not just save them up top and then use them down here? Weird. Really got no clue. I don't think I have to do this. I don't think I need to worry about this. Must not save. Well, must not save was only set... It's a private thing. This is literally what I was just looking for. I was just looking for must not set, or must not save. Why does this one fail to process it? I don't understand. Weird. So if we're calling unload callback, Oh. This is... Okay, this is completely unnecessary to change. Alright. This is for event systems. It's used by... needs decoration. I mean, technically it should be set to true.
I think. As simply as it is, it just needs to be set to true. And I think it's public because it's, yeah. Yeah. Needs decoration. Must not save needs decoration. Oh wow, it's just named for me right there. Nice. Just set that to true. Cool. Entities. What? It's not modified in here. I'm on chunk holder, level chunk. Entities. Where is this used? Used in chunk map. What? Really? What? But this is unused. This is straight up unused. It's never modified. It's set, but it's straight up never modified. It's never modified. Why does it exist? They just forget to implement that? It just straight up forgot to actually implement that? Entities. New list. It is only read from in one location. Maybe I'm getting bamboozled, and it is actually written to somewhere. But I think not. Also, they write paper start here, but then not write the last line. No paper end. That's very silly. Yeah.
So this entities list is not modified at all. You do the whole get raw data. That is actually ridiculous. Huh. Alright, well, I guess to be certain, I will still attempt to take it and clear it. It is called entity list. Clear. That's really quite funny. Okay. I'm going to go in and stream here while I can still form coherent sentences. It's not even that late. I didn't even wake up that early either. I must just be really tired, I guess. All right. Well, thank you for watching, stopping by, chatting, all of it. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.